This is Nancy with Fix This House, and this is my Samsung range. And I want to show you how to use the cook time setting so that if you wanted to bake something for 45 minutes and then have the oven automatically turn off, this is what you would do. So I want to show you that I put my tray, my food tray, quote unquote, let's pretend that the food's down in that lower rack. If you put it up here, it's going to burn because the heating element is right up above. So we'll put the food in there, and then we want to turn the oven on. So we're going to use the bake. Let me zoom in for you. We're going to use this top left button that says bake right here. Press that, enter your temperature. So let's say I'm going to cook at 300 degrees and hit start. There we go. And that'll start preheating. And then we want to set our cook time here, cook time, and let's say it's going to be 45 minutes, 4, 5, and hit start. It will automatically start counting down the 45 minutes, even though the oven is not preheated yet. So you need to either preheat the oven first, if that matters, then put your food in and set it for the correct amount of time. If you make a mistake and you want to change the cook time, you can go back while this is running, hit cook time. Let's change it to just 1 minute and hit start. And now it's going to count down from that 1 minute, and I'll show you how it stops at the very end. The directions online that I saw said that the cook time will start after the oven preheats, but that is apparently not the case because it is currently preheating and counting down at the same time, and it'll probably get to 0 before the temperature here gets up to 300. All right, and when it's all done, it sings a song and says bake here and end here. So you have to take your food out. Ta-da, when you open the door, it turns off the bake and the end. So that is how you use the cook time setting. It comes in handy if you want to cook a roast for 5 hours and you put it in there, set it for 5 hours. You can go to church, come back, and your food will turn off and the oven will stay warm while you're out and the roast won't be harmed. So I hope that's helpful to you. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please write them down below, and we appreciate your support. Thank you.